ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Do you guys believe that the ambience of a place or the way the food was made or served could influence its taste? And do you believe in the idiom that the fruit of hard work is sweet? In today's episode, we will discuss something similar. As I mentioned in the last episode, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Pai Mardana were going to Ahmedabad, which is now in Pakistan. And there lived a carpenter named Pai Lalo, who was born in 1452. His father was Pai Jagat Ram Singh Katode. Pai Lalo was considered a low caste. He was a very hard-working man who lived his life with great patience. He took care of his family with truthful and honest labor. He used to make wooden pegs. Though he could hardly make his ends meet, but he helped anyone in need. Guru Nanak Dev Ji came to the door of Pai Lalo and called out to him. He asked, who was it? Guruji said that we are travelers. And when Guruji told him his name, he immediately came out and fell at Guruji's feet. He said, I don't know why, but looking at you, my heart and my mind is coming at peace. I feel as if all of my sins are being washed away. With every moment, I am getting soaked in Lord's love even more. As mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, Her Mukhar Bind Pa Thando, Par Bandhan Kar Bande. Dars Bilokat Shant Pai Man, Lalo Ride Anande. Pai Lalo went inside to prepare food for them. But Pai Mardana is shocked to see the place. He asks Guruji, is this why I am travelling with you? I left everything to come here, where there is not even a table to sit on, and not even a bed sheet. Guruji laughed and said, Mardana, this is a home of devotion and honest work, and a person whose mind is soaked in remembrance of the Almighty. After some time, Pai Lalo came and asked Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Pai Mardana, please come to the kitchen and eat. As written by Pai Veer Singh Ji in Guru Nanak Chamatkar, Guru Nanak Ji replied, Lalo, ਸਾਰੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਚੌਂਕਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਤਿਆਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੁੱਚ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਭੋਜਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਆ. Meaning, the ground is the same everywhere. When the mind is immersed in Lord's love, then the ground is sacred wherever you sit. Bring the food. We will eat here. Pai Lalo served chapati made from kodra along with green leafy vegetable that is saag. Kodra is a type of millet. Pai Mardana started becoming a bit tense and lost in thoughts that this is completely dry food. How will it go down my throat? And then thinking this, he started eating. But when he tasted the food, it was the sweetest and tastiest food he ever had in his life. He couldn't stop himself from appreciating how sweet it tasted, as if he had eaten Amrit, the ambrosial nectar. As per Sri Nanak Prakash, Guruji smiled, and Pai Lalo, who was sitting nearby, said, Guruji, you have blessed me so much that I am reminded of how Bidur was blessed by Krishna ji. Lord Krishna gave up the food of King Duryodhan, who prepared immense delicacies, and went to poor Bidur's house and said that the water at Bidur's house is even delicious than the milk at the king's palace. It is mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1105. राजन कौन तुम्हारे आवे, ऐसो पाओ बिदुर को देखियो ओ गरीब मोहे पावे, हस्ती देख परम ते भूला सिरी भगवान न जानिया, तुमरो दूध बिदर को पानो अमृत कर मैं मान्या. Well, friends, it was the immense love, devotion with which Pai Lalo served the food, and the honesty and hard work with which he earned his bread. It is the ultimate kirt. Soon the word spread around that a saintly person is staying with Pai Lalo. His house became a place of worshipping. There was a small well in the courtyard of the house of Pai Lalo, where Guruji used to have his daily bath. Gurdwara Khuhi Sahib stands there today. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Please share it with everyone. Thank you.